Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Normally, during the last 2 years, we have experienced the COVID-19 pandemic, and with the enforcement of the Disaster Management Act 2005, the governments have enforced so many rules, out of which still the use of mask in public places, it is a rule in existence. So whenever you go to the public places, whenever you go to the public meetings, whenever you go to the High Court, you have to wear the mask compulsorily. Of course, the general public, they have forgotten wearing of the mask, but it is for your advice only. In this connection, an advocate by name Sree Krishna, he has filed a writ petition before the Telangana High Court, and the matter came to the Supreme Court also regarding the compulsion of wearing the mask is against the will of the public. And please remember, Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul and Abhay Srinivas Okha in the case of the advocate K. Sree Krishna versus State of Telangana in SLP Civil number 5186 by 2022, yesterday, that is on 19/9/2022, said that you have to respect the circulars given by the government. If you don't want, keep quiet. Sit at your house happily and you need not wear the mask. High this stringent order, and he was imposed a cost of 1 lakh rupees also. I will come to that part in the end of my video. Mr. Sree Krishna, he is a practicing advocate in Telangana High Court. He filed a public interest litigation before the Telangana High Court, challenging the executive instruction, that is, executive instruction of the state of Telangana or government of Telangana, which on 27/3/2021 issued instructions in exercise of the powers conferred under the Disaster Management Act 2005 that masks should be worn in all public places. You have to wear the mask in all public places, in all workplaces also. So in a factory or in an office also, you have to wear the mask. And places of public transport, that means if you are going by train, if you are going by bus, yes, you have to wear the mask. These are the executive instructions given by the state of or government of Telangana. So with this, definitely please remember, still these executive instructions are in force. And advocate Mr. Sree Krishna, he says that these face masks, they do not provide or they did not provide any protection from the COVID-19. Yes, we wore the masks even while going in the car also, while driving the car also, we wore the mask. But he says that this did not give so much of protection as expected. So making the masks compulsory or wearing the mask compulsory, and when you don't wear, the municipal authorities or the police, they are imposing fines and penalizing, definitely it is an obsolete condition. This is the contention of Mr. K. Sree Krishna, advocate. But you know what happened? The High Court of Telangana, please remember, it has dismissed the petition in limine. Please, the High Court of Telangana observed that, no doubt, the advocate, that is the petitioner, is not an expert or he is not a virologist. He is not an expert in the field of virology. Please remember, the guidelines have to be followed. Nobody knows what is this so-called, just we have named it as COVID-19 because it was surfaced on 2019. Nobody really knew any so-called correct medicine for this. But still, we used so many things. Even the so-called vials were used 2 times, 3 times a day. Shots were also given. These are all preventive measures. So, the virology, you are not a virology expert. This is what the Honorable High Court of Telangana stated. And now the matter came to the notice of the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court of India also said, we are in complete agreement with the observations or orders of the High Court of Telangana. So the lawyer, he has taken a misconceived adventure like a layman. He is not an expert. Why the instructions are given? It's for your goodness, for prevention of the COVID-19 pandemic, for not spreading the same. Please remember. So this is not a public interest litigation to be filed, that too by an advocate. So it is not concrete. There is no concrete evidence also, because it has supported by the expert evidence. That is the medical evidence. Otherwise, how can you take into consideration? And secondly, no doubt, okay, if the learned advocate, he doesn't want to wear mask, let him sit in his house happily by not wearing the mask. We are not bothered. Let him not come to the court. So why should he put such misadventurous petitions? And ultimately, the Honorable Supreme Court of India imposed 1 lakh cost on this advocate. So please remember, you have to sail along with the wind. You have to definitely follow the so-called guidelines by the government of Telangana, or maybe government of Andhra Pradesh also. So this is a lesson which you have to learn. Please remember, you can't file a public interest petition as you like. There should be some public interest. Here the interest is by the government of Telangana. They wanted to protect the people. They are given advice, executed instructions to wear the mask. What is the harm in wearing the mask? So this is the lesson you have to draw. Anyway, interesting case. Please read it. The case is like this. Case Sree Krishna versus State of Telangana. Okay. Thank you.